Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with DoorDash Partner API for authenticated restaurant UI step by step clearly. To authenticate with the DoorDash Partner API for an authenticated restaurant UI, begin by creating a DoorDash account if you haven't done so already. Log into the DoorDash developer portal with your credentials. Navigate to the API section where you can find the documentation and guides. Familiarize yourself with the authentication process outlined in the documentation. Obtain your API key from the developer portal. Keep this key secure, as it will be used for making authenticated requests. Next, decide on the type of authentication you want to use, typically OAuth 2.0. Register your application within the developer portal to receive client credentials. Make sure to save your client ID and client secret for later use. To initiate the OAuth flow, redirect users to the authorization URL provided by DoorDash. Users will log in and authorize your app to access their information. After successful authorization, DoorDash will redirect the user back to your specified redirect URI with a temporary authorization code. Capture this authorization code from the redirect URI. Using this code, make a request to the token endpoint to exchange it for an access token. Include your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in the request. Upon a successful request, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store these tokens securely, as they will be needed for subsequent API calls. Use the access token in the authorization header of your API requests to authenticate them. Monitor the expiration of your access token to ensure a seamless user experience. If the access token expires, use the refresh token to obtain a new access token without requiring user reauthorization. Make sure to handle any errors that may occur during the authentication process. Now that you have successfully authenticated, you can proceed with calling the DoorDash Partner API for various endpoints related to restaurant management. Integrate the authenticated restaurant UI with your application using the data retrieved from the API. Test the integration thoroughly to ensure everything works as expected. This completes the authentication process for using the DoorDash Partner API for your restaurant UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.